In this video, we will solve the remaining questions of chapter number 4, exercise 4.4. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I usually make videos related to NCERT solutions of classes 9 to 12 without wasting any time.
So let's start our today's topic, which is question number 4 of exercise 4.4. Okay, in the first part of this video we have solved 3 questions of exercise 4.4, right? So you can see that video if you want to understand those 3 questions, right? So let's start solving question number 4 in this video. So what does it says? Is the following situation possible? Which situation is possible? How we define if situations are possible or not? In case of quadratic equation, we find out b square minus 4ac. Okay, and if it is greater than 0 or equal to 0, we say that our real roots exist. That means our situation is possible. Okay, so we have to find out this value if in any question of quadratic equation it is given to you that you have to determine if the situation is possible. So you have to find out discriminant, and if discriminant is greater than 0 or equal to 0, you will say that your situation is possible. Okay, so why you will say that the situation is possible? I have explained it to you earlier also, right? So moving to further statement, if so find their present ages. If this situation is possible, then what you have to do? You have to find the ages, present ages, right? So whose present ages? What is the condition? It is given after that. The sum of the ages of the two friends is 20 years. It is given to you that there are two friends and sum of their ages is 20 years. So let us suppose the age of first friend is equal to x years. So if its age is equal to x years, then the age of second friend will be what? Because it is given to you that sum is equal to 20. So age of its will be equal to 20 minus x years, right? For example, if I will say you that sum of yours and yours friend age is 20 and your age is suppose 15 years. Okay, so what will be the age of your friend? Your age of your friend will be equal to 5 years. So how you have find out? You have done 20 minus 15. The same I have done here. Okay, so now 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. So 4 years ago means before the 4 years. So 4 years ago the age of first friend will be equal to how much? X minus 4 years. Okay, and 4 years ago the age of second friend will be equal to 20 minus x is its current age minus 4. Okay, so what it will give me? 16 minus x. So what is given in the statement? The product of their ages. So product of their ages was 48. So according to given condition, x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. So let's solve this equation. What it will give me? 16x minus x square minus 64, and this will give me plus 4x is equal to 48. Okay, then it will give me what? Then I will do addition of the values with the same powers of x. So 16 plus 4 will give me what? 16 plus 4 give me 20x minus x square. Then this will come here. Minus 48 is equal to 0. So it will give me what? 20x minus x square minus, it will give me what? 8 and 4 12, 6 4 the 10 and 1 11 is equal to 0. So now I will take everything to the right hand side so that my x square coefficient becomes positive. So x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. So this is my quadratic equation. So now I have to find out that if my b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, then this condition whatever is given in the question is possible. Okay, so how I will find out b square minus 4ac? We have done lot of questions on that. What we do, we write down our equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a will give me what? A will give me 1, b will give me minus 20, and c will give me what? C will give me 1, 1, 2. So put the values and you will get your answer. Minus 20 square minus 4a, a is what? 1, and c is what? C is 1, 1, 2. So you will get what? 400 minus 4 2's the 8, 4 1's the 4, 4 1's the 4. So it is giving you result as minus 48, which is less than 0. So less than 0 means no real roots exist. Okay, so if no real roots exist, that means the given condition is not possible. So given condition is not possible. Okay, understood? So moving to the very last question of this chapter number 4, we have solved each and every question and example of chapter number 4. If you want to know about any question, you can see my videos. So you will be able to understand what is the question and what can be the possible solution for that, right? So let's solve this last question. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of parameter 80 meter? So what is given to you? A rectangular park. A park is rectangular in the form and parameter is given to you equal to 80 meter and area is 400 meter square, right? So is it possible to design? Again it is asking from you, is it possible to design such a rectangular park? So how you will define that? First you will derive any quadratic equation and then you will find out b square minus 4ac. If it is greater than 0 or equal to 0, only then your given condition is possible. Okay. So again it is asking from you, the second part is asking from you, if this condition is possible, means if it is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then you have to find out its length and breadth. Okay, so before doing any question, so let us assume that my length is x and my this value is suppose y. Okay, so put the values in the formula. What is the formula to find out the parameter of a rectangular park? Parameter of any rectangular park is given by, parameter of any rectangular park is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. It is given to you 80 is equal to 2 into x plus y. So now 80 by 2, this 2 will come here and 80 will get divided. 40 is equal to x plus y. So you can find out the value of y from this equation and we will use this value when we will calculate the area. Okay, so that right now I am having two variables but my quadratic should be only in single variable. So that's why I will put the value of y in my second equation so that my equation will become in single variable. Okay. So area is equal to what? Area of a rectangular park is equal to what? Length into breadth. And area is given to you 400 and length is x into y. So put the value of y which we have find out, it was 40 minus x. So now what will happen? Why I am putting the value of y? I am putting the value of y so that my equation gets reduced to single variable and I can have the quadratic equation in the next step. Okay, so now solve this. You will get 40x minus x square. Now take this coefficient to the left hand side so that our x square coefficient becomes positive. Okay, so what we have to do next, we have to find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Now find out the values of a, b and c. Okay, so a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to minus 40 and c will be equal to 400. Okay, so put the values. B is equal to minus 40 and a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 400. So it will give me what? It will give me 1600 minus 1600, which will, so that means my real and equal roots exist. Okay, so that means my given condition is possible. Okay, so what you will do next, you have to find out these roots also. So what you will do, you will use this formula minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the second formula also minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Because your b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, our formula will get reduced to minus b by 2a, and here also minus b by 2a. And b is what? B is my minus 40, minus of minus 40 divided by 2a. A is what? A is my 1. It will give me 40 by 2. It will give me 20. And from here also I will get x is equal to 20. So my roots will be, my length will be equal to x. And how I will find out the breadth? Do not forget to find out the breadth in your exam, otherwise you will lose your marks. Okay, so it is given to you that parameter x plus y is equal to what? 2 into x plus y is equal to what given to you? It is given to you equal to 80 meter, and 2 into x you have derived 20 plus y is equal to 80. So it will get cancelled out, and 20 plus y will be equal to 40. So that means your y will be equal to 20 meter. So this was about your length and breadth. So please add your comments in the comment box if you want from me any other video on any topic of mathematics. I will try to help you by making other videos on those topics.
If you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get updates of my new videos. So in the next video, we will understand about the chapter number 10 of class 10th about the circles. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.